Okay, question 5 from the assignment. Find the value of a in the polynomial ax cubed plus 2x squared plus 3 if the remainder is 3 when the polynomial is divided by x minus 2. So we've got to find a is missing, and the remainder is 3 when we divide it by x minus 2. So that should immediately make you write down p of 2 equals 3. So we can write p of 2 equals 3. And then we're going to sub in x is 2 into the expression so where the x is, I'm writing a 2, and that expression should equal 3 because the remainder is 3, remember. So we end up with 8a plus 8 plus 3 equals 3. So 8a plus 11 equals 3. Move my 11 to the right hand side, make it -8, so a is -1. There's our answer.